Alright y'all, so you can see that I am protected with long sleeves, long pants, a respirator, and some glasses, as well as some gloves. You can see that I am very slowly and deliberately pulling the insulation out of the wall. I am rolling it up into itself to prevent more particles from flying into the air. It wasn't until after I watched this video actually that I realized that there are a crap ton of fiberglass particles in the air regardless of what you do. But at least whenever you wear a respirator, that does help minimize getting any of that into your lungs and breathing it in. Anyways, just keep tugging that out, rolling it up, and then pull it out slowly and deliberately. Alrighty, so as you can see here, I am just finishing up with pulling the insulation out of the rest of the bus. So just baby steps along the way, just stay at it, stay consistent, be deliberate and slow while pulling it out, and you won't deal with as many issues.